Hi, I'm Janice Allen, and I'm the Director of Land Protection for the North Carolina Coastal Land Trust. I'm standing out on our newly acquired Island Creek Preserve, which we purchased in August of 2019. This property is a very special place in eastern North Carolina. It's got beautiful mature hardwoods on it along 2.5 miles of Island Creek. It's got some interesting geology, some beautiful birds out here, and a lot of rare plants. But it does have a blemish, a bad spot that I'm going to show you and talk about. So what you're going to be seeing here is a very large patch of Wisteria. And this is a non-native perennial leguminous woody vine that's invasive throughout much of eastern USA. And you can see how this Wisteria has literally covered what was once an old logging deck, and it's climbed up into many of the trees along the periphery. According to a botanist from the Natural Heritage Program, this Wisteria is likely Chinese Wisteria from China, Wisteria sinensis, or it's a hybrid with the Japanese Wisteria, Wisteria floribunda. These oriental Wisterias were brought into the country back in the early 1800s as ornamental plants, and you can see them planted in many gardens across the United States. The flower is showy, it's very fragrant, but it's a problem. So why is this Wisteria a problem? Well, as you can see here, it's hard for anything else to grow. It's taking over habitat of our native plant species, and the vines can actually go up trees and strangle and kill these trees. Invasive plants are a big problem all over the country, and it's very important to eradicate them as soon as we can. Invasive plants not only displace our native plants, but they compete with them for moisture, space, and sunlight. And they can create this monoculture, which is what you see out here. And that can reduce the quality and quantity of wildlife habitat. It can lead to increased soil erosion and decreased soil nutrients. Basically, they are upsetting the balance of nature. And Coastal Land Trust is currently developing a strategy to get rid of this Wisteria, which may involve chopping it down and treating it with herbicides. We're going to employ our Operation War on Wisteria very soon. Right now, Wisteria is winning, but stay tuned because we'll give you updates as we continue to attack it and get rid of it here at Island Creek.